Hey y'all, what's going on? This is MG Radio. I'm gonna bring you some MG sounds. I guess by now you MG, yeah, MG, scholar, musician, producer, songwriter, designer, MG loungewear. Created my own line of loungewear. Check it out on eBay, MG loungewear, and I've created my own record label, MG Productions. I have a number of songs I'm working on, getting them ready. Songs like Satin, MG Being Mellow, MG in Theory. Working on it, trying to bring it out there. And my scholastic endeavors includes a degree in the business field, mingled with music theory, along with a number of other studies I have accomplished. MG, y'all, MG, bring it, coming at you. Yeah, all right.